Children, in last video we have seen how to give, save and spend money. Today let's observe some notes and coins which were used earlier. Children, observe these notes and coins. This is 2 rupees note. This is 1 rupee note. This is 5 rupees note. This is 5 paise. This is 10 paise. This is 20 paise. This is 25 paise. This is 50 paise. This is the old coin of 5 rupees. These coins were used earlier. Children, your parents and grandparents must have used paise. Talk to them about it. They may even have some of such coins like me in their collection. Request them to show you those coins and observe them. Ask your grandparents what all they use to buy using paise. Do we use paise coins nowadays? Think and share your answer with your parents. Children, today we are going to play the market game. Here we have real notes and coins, and this is the price list. Here I am the shopkeeper and Priya wants to purchase something. Let's see what she wants.
I want to buy a ball.
Okay. Here is the ball and see the price of ball in the price list.
Okay. The price of the ball is 51 rupees. So I need to pay 51 rupees to the shopkeeper. But I don't have 51 rupees note. What should I do?
Priya, you can give me money in the combination of denomination of 150 rupees note and 1 coin of 1 rupees. Like this, you can pay me money 51 rupees.
Okay.
Priya, do you want to buy something?
Yes, now I would like to buy a puzzle.
Okay, then see the price of this puzzle. Do you want to buy puzzle or puzzle game?
I would like to buy puzzle.
Okay, then you need to pay 78 rupees.
Now I know how to pay money. I need to pay 150 rupees note, 120 rupees note, 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin.
Children, you can play this market game with your family members. Make notes and coins using paper, or you can use fake notes also. Then prepare a price list. While preparing price list, take care no object or item should cost more than rupees 100. While playing the game, make a video and send it to the respective teacher. Let's see few more examples of how to pay money in the combination of denominations. Tina is going to have an ice cream worth rupees 25. Worth means value. So the first way is she will pay 2 notes of 10 rupees, 10 plus 10, 20 and 1 coin of 5 rupees. The second way is 1 note of 10 rupees and 1 coin of 10 rupees and 1 coin of 5 rupees. The third way is 1 note of 10 rupees, 1 coin of 10 rupees and 1 note of 5 rupees. Let's see one more example. Simran wants to buy a cotton candy worth rupees 77. Show 3 ways of using coins and notes to pay in the patches above. So again we have to show the 3 ways. The first way is she can pay 1 note of 50 rupees, then 2 notes of 10 rupees, 50 plus 60, 50 plus 10 60, 60 plus 10 70 plus 1 coin of 5 rupees and 1 coin of 2 rupees. The other way is she can pay 1 note of 50 rupees, 2 coins of 10 rupees, one coin of 5 rupees and 1 coin of 2 rupees. The third way is 1 note of 50 rupees, 1 note of 10 rupees, 1 coin of 10 rupees, note of 5 rupees and 2 rupees note. Open page number 93. Let's observe some easy combinations. 5 coins of 1 rupees means 5 rupees. 2 coins of 5 rupees means 1 coin of 10 rupees or 1 note of 10 rupees. 2 coins of 10 rupees means 1 note of 20 rupees. 2 notes of 20 rupees and 1 coin of 10 rupees means 50 rupees note. 2 notes of 50 rupees means 1 note of 100 rupees. Let's see some more combinations on number line. 1 rupees coin plus 5 rupees coin means 6 rupees. 5 rupees coin plus 10 is equal to 15 rupees. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 rupees. Then 1 rupee plus 2 rupees is 3 rupees. 2 plus 5 is 7 rupees. 5 plus 20 is 25 rupees. Children, can you make such combinations on your own? Write the various combinations for rupees 20 in your notebook. See page number 94. In the following, Write the combination of denominations. A few examples have been done for you. Use these notes or coin value to make new combinations. If you can't find the note or coin for an amount, make it into smaller amounts for which notes and coins are available. For example, rupees 15 means 10 rupees note plus 5 rupees coin, or the other way is 3 coins of 5 rupees. So in this way, children, complete this page in your maths textbook. Children, the value of 1 rupee is 100 paise. If we have 2 rupees and 50 paise, we write it as rupees 2.50 means 1 coin of 2 rupees plus 1 coin of 50 paise is equal to 2 rupees and 50 paise. So children, try to make various combinations for different amount. Thank you. Stay healthy and happy.